Dear students, in this very short video, we will talk about how to make ppm solutions of metals from their compounds or salts. Say for example, we need to prepare 200 parts per million or milligrams per liter solution of, say, iron 2, and in 2 liters or 2000 ml. This is our requirement. We need to prepare iron 2 solution with a concentration of 200 ppm, and the required volume is 2 liters, that is 2000 ml. And we have iron sulfate, heptahydrate, which has a purity of 97%. So there are few things to consider. We have a compound which contains sulfates and water as well along with iron, but we need to prepare ppm solution of iron, and the purity of that very compound is 97%. Other details are here. The formula we can use, which is a simple formula, and it will help us to calculate the required mass of that very compound, that is iron sulfate, to prepare that solution. Formula is VCF divided by 10,000 into PAN, where the V is the volume of the solution that is required in ml. For example, here volume of the solution that is required in ml is 2000. So if we write it here, we can say that we have to calculate, say for example, mass in grams, and the volume of solution is 2000 ml, and then C is the concentration of that element which we need to prepare in milligram per liter or ppm. Here in this very question it is 200 ppm, so we will put 200 here into F. F is the formula mass of that compound. For example, this is the compound we have, and if we need to calculate the formula mass of this very compound, we can write 56 for iron and 32 for sulfur, and 4 oxygen atoms, 16 multiplied by 4, 64, and 7 water molecules, so 7 multiplied by 18. Altogether we have, then we have the purity of that compound. Purity is 97%. So we will put 97 into 10,000 or 10 raised to power 4. A is the atomic mass of that element. Here the element is iron, so atomic mass of iron is 56. And N is number of atoms of that element in that given compound. So iron here is 1 atom, so we will put 1 here. If it was 2, then we will have to put here 2, and that result came out to be 2.047 grams. So if we take 2.047 gram of 97% pure iron sulfate and dissolve it in 2000 ml, we will have a solution of iron 2 with a concentration of 200 ppm. That very formula is very useful in preparing solutions of elements in different spectroscopic or volumetric analysis, rather than going through the multi-step calculations to prepare such samples. This formula is very helpful.